Alright, hey guys, it's me, Colt. Well, but still, who cares? Just got my Airsoft gun in. Ordered it from Airsoft GI. It's an M4 with wrists, licensed by Colt, made by CYMA. So I guess open the box now. Get a good knife. I mean, any knife will work. Sorry if the video sucks. I'm just using my iPad right now. I don't have enough time to pull out my camera and stuff, so. Alright, well, here we go. I'm gonna stand this up weirdly. Sorry for the video. Kind of sucks, but I mean, anything will work. I mean, just to get started on videos. But alright, here we go. Papers and stuff. The free t-shirt you get with all of them right now. One bag 20 gram 1,000 BBs, and then here's the Colt I got. There it is. That is not the actual FPS. That's if you shoot it with 12 grams. And don't shoot Walmart BBs out of AEGs like these. Just don't. You're gonna ruin them and waste your money. So buy high grade BBs. Alright, well, let's take off the top. Yeah, you get, I guess, thing that shows you what you can put on with the gun. Instruction manual. You got just instructions. Plastic casing. Getting a call to answer that. Yeah, if you guys hear anyone, that's my friends. Plastic. Yep, just your order sheet. Oh, sweet. When I ordered this, I only got one mag. I got two 300 round high cap full metal magazines. Nice deal. Got it on jamming rod. 8.4 1100 milliamp battery. Standard wall charger. Oh, that's what comes with it. Let's see if I can open this. Can't get the box open. There we go. Yep, your standard wall charger. Recommend stuff for the front sight. The thing that you can honestly I can't remember, but and then the gun itself. It's damn, that's heavy. Oh, it's a full metal. Jeez, this thing is heavy. Well, it's full metal.
And it's heavy, right?
Yeah, it's really heavy. Let me see if the flash hider is plastic or not. Yep, plastic flash hider, but I mean, it's not over encumbered. So. But yeah, I mean, nice gun. I'll do a better review on it some other time, but this will be the first video of it. Alright, see you guys later.